So hello guys, today we'll be solving this question number 17. So the question is, an element crystallizes in a face center cubic unit cell with a cell edge A. The distance between the center of two nearest octahedral in the crystal lattice is. So we have to find the distance. So is the distance would be A by 2 root 2A, or A by root 2. So we have to find the correct one. So in octahedral voids lies along the edge centers and along the body centers. So nearest octahedral void will be one along the edge center and along the other edge center. So A is the edge length, and hence the edge center will be A by 2. So therefore the shortest distance will be given by Pythagoras theorem. So the Pythagoras theorem to find the distance. So distance will be under root A by 2 ka whole square plus A by 2 ka whole square. So by solving this we got A by root 2. So this will be the answer number 4. Thank you.